Hello and welcome back to another video on KakoBuy. Now, unfortunately, I can't seem to get my camera working, so yeah, unfortunately, you're going to have to put up without seeing me. Lucky you. Now, obviously, I've been on KakoBuy and I've ordered a few bits. I did a video a few weeks ago of ordering loads of bits, and yeah, a lot of it didn't turn up or it was out of stock. We'll go down to the bottom. This was the first item I ordered, which was the Rolex box. And if we look at the QC photos, you know, it tells you when it arrived. So it arrived on the 17th of March, the weight, the height, you know, the picture of it coming in, the QC photos of, you know, what they've done. And yeah, it all looks good. Now, obviously, I also ordered this chair, but sadly, it got returned because they couldn't actually ship it to me. Apparently, it was too big. It actually looked quite nice, but yeah, they said logistically it would cost too much money to ship. You know, it was over 1.5 meters long, over 1 meter deep. So yeah, they sent it back. They refunded it. I got my money back. It's not an issue. I actually used the money to buy something else. Obviously, now the AirPods Pros 2 that I ordered look okay. The Kith New Balances that I ordered look quite nice. I didn't realise it was going to have the shiny bits on the front. Not a massive fan of chrome, but I'll see what they're like. Yeah, I'm looking forward to them. The Carhartt Fisherman's style jacket and the Kith Coca-Cola out of stock, so got refunded those. The Tommy Hilfiger t-shirts, yeah, they arrived. They look okay. The Magikarp t-shirts, I'm going to call them Magikarp t-shirts. That's pretty much what they are. They look all right. They look quite nice. Carhartt jeans, sort of like the carpenter's sort of work style trousers. Yeah, they look okay. The XLs actually come in as a 36-inch waist, which is perfect. The shorts that I ordered, out of stock. New Balance 2002 R protection packs, look fantastic. A little bit more grey than I want. I'm not going to show you everything. Now, this t-shirt, they were out of stock, refunded it. It was either that or they wanted an extra 10 yen to ship, although that I ordered loads of bits and just paid freight shipment all at once. I ordered it again, and it's not turned up because I ordered it, yeah, with a load of other stuff from the same company, and this t-shirt doesn't seem to be shipping. Still waiting for it to arrive. But yeah, I've actually gone and ordered a few other bits. So I ordered some shorts, some cotton linen shorts. They look quite nice in blue and black. And I've also ordered a Shure SM7B microphone. I personally use a Rode shotgun mic, but I had a Rode normal Rode mic, and I want to try the SM7B once I sort out the other issue I have with my camera. And I also ordered some hokas. My daughter said they're really good. These were rated for really good for walking. Got them in my size, in white. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the hokas turning up. I do have a few other bits that are on order. I'll give you a little cheeky, yeah, I ordered the XXL Canada Goose jacket that I've just I received the XL. My wife's taken it; it fits her a lot better. I got some Canada Goose dust bags and coat hangers on order as well. But we are going to go to the warehouse. We're going to select all of it. Is there a way of selecting it all? No, I'm going to select. Oh yeah, there is. Select all down there. All 13 items. We're going to do a rehearsal packing so that I can actually find out how much it's going to weigh. It says it's going to be about 12 kg. Is it? No, that's volume. About 8 kg. Pre-packaging service is an additional service that costs 20 yen per time. Yeah, that's fine. So it costs 20 yen per time to do it. So here is everything on the list. 13 items. Now we're going to put bubble wrap, stretch film, moisture bag, corner protection. Pick what route we want. And then we're going to submit. And obviously they want me to pay, I think it's $3.15. So I've got a balance there. So I'm going to confirm that payment. Once they've done the rehearsal, you know, that it'll tell me exactly how much it's going to cost and I can get that paid. So I will be back to let you know how much it actually costs me. But this way you'll get the more accurate way of doing it, because they'll package it up, they'll weigh it, everything else. You won't, like a lot of other services that I've used before, you won't get hit with, you know, if you just do the package and then they actually, once they actually box it up, you'll find out that there's another price. So we'll be back once they've actually got it all packaged up with the official price of how much this is actually going to cost to get shipped. So I'll be back soon. Right, so it's been a week, solely for the fact that I was stuck working from actually recording the start of this video, and the parcel has been shipped. It went through its rehearsal. They calculated the weight and actually came back with a price. They see if there's a QC photo. Yeah, so there is all the items of the products. They all got wrapped up individually and, yeah, stuck in the boxes. They actually sent it out as 2 boxes, as you could see on the side. And then, yeah, the parcel, it's been shipped. Tracking, not really been able to track it. I use a universal, no information on the package. Royal Mail, they're expecting it, so it has been shipped. Their tracking, it just doesn't say anything. But yeah, it's not an issue. The price of it was $131.59. That's including the packaging fees, insurance, protection corners, all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, they've actually sent it out as well as 2 packages. So it is just under 10 kg shipment. As you can see on the screen, it's 4,190 grams and 5,100 grams. So yeah, we're just waiting for it now. Yeah, I would show the QC photos of the actual boxes of them being shipped with the labels, but the labels have my address, so yeah, it's not something. But yeah, that is the parcel. Everything has been shipped. 2 parcels. We're just waiting for it to be delivered, and yeah, the shipping was really, really easy. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Obviously, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And when both the parcels arrive, so I'm going to wait for them both to arrive together so we can actually unpackage everything all at once. Once it arrives, we will return with the unboxing video. So again, if you haven't hit that bell, hit it now. You'll get notified when that video goes live. But yeah, on that note, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.